Sorry about the video.
Oh, no, you're fine. If you stick your fingers in your mouth, you'll find that you like it.
Yeah. In your mouth.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good. His whole face is going to be orange. Is it good? Is it good?
Jonah. Jonah. That's so delicious. That's a big cupcake for a little boy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You might not even get to the cake.
Okay, macaroni and cheese, no. But orange, sweet.
Of course.
He's like, why are they all staring at me? You like it? You like it? Good. Yeah? Yeah.
There you go.
Aw, eyes closed. Safe orange, but eyes closed. Sorry.